Bring your business to Rockwall on this 14.78 acres that is situated on the busy Highway 276 road frontage. Soon to be 4 lanes. Excellent location for light industrial. Previously, a cattle ranch, home, and welding shop. Less than 5 miles from Rockwall Costco. There are 2 tax rolls, number 10,368 and number 10,369. This property features pipe fencing around the home area and back 10 acres. Home could be a perfect commercial business location. A total of 15 acres less what TXDOT is buying, 0.2194, with a 2,502 square foot home, and 1,600 square feet shop with 3 overhead doors and an electric meter. The home and shop are all being sold as is for land value. 3-bedroom 3-bath home has a 2-car garage and 2 additional steel carports. The home and shop need repairs.